Hello, in this jQuery video we are going to select elements based on a attribute. So let's just create a few elements first. So let me create this. And you know what, I'll put it all on one line just because it's going to be very simple. And I'm going to say element 1. And I'm going to add a attribute to this. So I am going to add an attribute of, maybe we add a target attribute, and let's say underscore blank. And we are going to duplicate this 5 times. We're going to leave the second one as blank. We're going to remove, we'll put this as, I don't know, hello. And we'll remove the target from the others. So we are going to check if this particular attribute, it could actually be any attribute, and then we'll just fix up the numbering, but we're just going to stick with target blank. Once you understand this, you'll be good to go. When we're going to detect if a element is clicked, or more specifically a div is clicked that has a attribute called target, and it has the value of blank, and we can do that. It's like really simple. So we just do div. Now we put square brackets to indicate we are checking for an attribute. So target is the name of the attribute, equals single quotation marks, not double, because you'll conflict with this. Otherwise you can just flip them around if you want double inside. And then here we're just going to put underscore blank dot click. So we'll have click function, and we are just going to do a console log. So console.log, and I'm just going to say target is blank. Save that, reload, and if we go back, only the first two should trigger it. That triggers it. That triggers it. Third one does not trigger it, because even though you have the target, it is not, the value is different, and the final one shouldn't trigger it. So that's how you use selectors based on attributes. Like I said, it doesn't have to be the target attribute, it could be any attribute and any value. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.